Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse, and today I want you to join me as we get festive. It's time to decorate, but also I'm gonna share a few ideas on how you can have some fun this holiday and also share a little kindness safely. So one of the activities we're gonna be doing is featuring the Envy printer from HP. So thank you HP Canada for teaming up with us today and sponsoring this video. Okay, first step, find the Christmas decorations. Let's go. Second step is printing out the sugar cookie recipe from my mother-in-law. This recipe is gold. And Dean is going to be, hello.
Hi.
Hi. He's going to be helping put together the sugar cookies for us. Because Baba, your mom,
My mom.
she got the best recipe and also the prettiest handwriting. Look at that pretty handwriting. So nice. So Dean's gonna share a little bit more about the sugar cookies because we're a team, and I'm gonna start getting the tree decorated, and then the kids can come in after if they want to decorate the cookies a little bit, but we'll see. Okay, here's the before. Found the tree, found the decorations in the bin. Let's get to it.
We have the flour, the baking powder, salt, the shortening and butter mix, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, and vanilla. And then of course our classic shapes, snowman, snowflake, and Christmas tree. Now all our dry ingredients are combined. So it says now we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. The magic of 9 minutes. Oh yeah. There we go. Just a little bit of brown on the bottom.
It's so fun to see all the decorations you guys made over the years, hey?
Yeah.
Like that one looks like must be from kindergarten. Jackie made this one at school.
What? No. It's. Okay, no, a little bit to the right. I mean left. Left.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, my decorations fall.
Perfect.
Okay, so I think I overestimated my capabilities. I forgot how long it takes to put up a tree. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow, which for you is gonna be like in 2 seconds. Whew. I'm back. We're icing the cookies. And then I wanna see if there's a holiday card that the kids think would look cute with the little baskets that we bought, which I'll show you the baskets in just a second. But before we jump into all of that, I do wanna share some of my favorite features about the HP Envy printer. First off, you can see it behind me. It looks mighty fun in my office. The HP Envy printer is great for families, like depending what you're using it for. You know, for me, it's work items. For kids, it's school items. And then if you tap into the HP Smart app, there's items you can print from their website. It's all free, by the way. Holiday cards, we found some word searches the other day. I love me a good word search. Actually, talking about activities, I know I'm sharing some of ours today, but if you're looking for something to check out, on December 9th, this 3-part web series is launching called Printastic. I'm gonna link it below, giving you all sorts of ideas for holiday activities. Probably my favorite feature, because let me tell you, when you run out of ink and everything's like brown and pink that you're printing out, it ain't cute. So if you sign up for HP Printer Ink, it's their subscription, very cost effective in my opinion. You figure out how often you tend to print, like what's your print style like, and then your printer automatically orders you ink when you start running low, which I think is so cool. And I actually have some ink on the way. I got a notification that our ink was running low and they're sending some, and I think that's fabulous because honestly, there's just a lot that I manage, and reminding myself to order ink kind of doesn't make it to the top of the list. So taking it off my list and doing it automatically is kind of awesome. So here are some of the tins that Dean actually picked up for me, but I wanted to have a few others on hand as we do, you know, we tend to bake Christmas cookies as we go, and it's nice to have little tins to put them in. Okay, so here's his holiday cards.
I kind of think I like this one. Print.
And print, yeah. Ooh, how do you like that?
Looks cool.
Looks awesome. Cut along the dotted line and fold in the center. All right, Jackie, let's do it.
Knife.
I love it. It looks so cute.
I love it too.
So I gotta write something kind of sweet on the inside. Let's see.
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. Mom, I need to use the white.
Go for it. Love.
One down.
Look at these beautiful cookies. So we've got a few that we didn't ice because some people don't like all the icing. We decided on this container we like that you can see through. And then we have these two card options. So we've got this one that has like the cookies on the front. And look how cute this guy is. I found a glue stick and a little puppy. Oh, this is so cute. I had some cardstock on hand. I think it's quite sweet. Stay toasty. I love how they turned out. It's perfect. And that's a wrap. Now that was a weekend of activities, let me tell you. 2020's been a weird year. It's been a little harder to make that magic happen because I feel like some of those big events and those big get-togethers are just, well, they're not happening. So, you know, trimming the tree, some baking, you get the holiday music going. I love the little DIY that we got to do. I mean, it's that kind of stuff that makes for those cup filling experiences. And then don't forget sharing kindness with others. I mean, all that stuff goes a long way in my books, you know? So a big thanks to HP Canada for teaming up with us today and sponsoring this video. If you'd like to explore the HP Envy printer, click the link below. Your support of the brands that support my channel means the world to me. I thank you for being here and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.